I have to get on my reindeer. I have to go.
Jayden, did you say thank you?
Bye, Jayden. I have to go. Bye-bye, Jayden. I have to get out to all the other children. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. One more hug. I love you, Jayden. See you next year. Ho, ho, ho.
Look at Santa. What brought you, Jayden? What is that? Wow.
Oh, toy.
But what is it?
And a tree.
Yes!
Hey, what's up, guys? What happened here? Oh my goodness! Whoa! What is that? Was Santa just here? No way! Whoa, Jayden! Was Santa? Is Santa here? They said he must have. I must have just missed him again.
Again. Oh, I can't believe this. Jayden.
Every time I miss Santa. Every time he comes.
Oh.
Wow. Look at
Open.
this. Let me help you there, Jayden. Help. Help Jayden. Rip here. Rip. Help Jayden. Wow. Rip that off. Santa's such a cool guy, huh?
Sure.
Wow. A choo-choo train. Wow. Look at that big choo-choo train. Why don't you look at the other gift too that Santa brought you? Whoa, keep that over here. Look at the big choo-choo train. All these for Jay. Look. Okay.
Little tree.
You open it up. Open it up. Rip it there. What else did Santa get you? Oh, Lego! Oh my goodness! That's a blue truck. Lego.
Blue truck.
You're so lucky. You get to build a big truck with your Lego.
Oh.
Amazing. Open. Okay, why don't you get another gift? You're getting all these gifts today. Look at all these, Jayden. Whoa! You open it. You open it.
Shut open.
Sean, open.
Shut up.
What do you think it is? I don't know what it is. Why don't you rip it open and see what it is? Oh, what is that? Ooh! Wow! Where's your mom?
I don't know.
Wow! Is that very cool? Look at that. Thomas the train. Yeah, rip it all off. Whoa! Mega blocks. Wow, Jayden, it's so amazing. I'll open it out here for you, my son. You open up another gift and I'll open this up. You open it up. You open it up. Let me go get some scissors and open it up for you. It's so exciting. Wow, what did Sandy get you now? Is that a car?